Well, here's the second video in my black and white Just Because book challenge. I realised yesterday that I hadn't gone through my beads, my buttons, my threads, or my laces and chiffons. So here you go. Here's a few beads I pulled out from various bits, some sequins, old beads, new beads. I collect jewellery from op shops and tear it apart and get all sorts of interesting bits. I found these buttons. What's more black and white than a panda? Little black butterfly, white rabbits, little silver chooky in case I do put some silver. And look at this little black crocheted bag. Isn't that so cute? I think something might have to go on in that on a page. Lots of black buttons. Some of my favourite buttons I actually get from the op shop. I buy jackets and cardigans and take their buttons off, and this one, when I got to the counter, was another lady there that heard what I was doing, and she said, "Oh, can I go halves and buy the jacket and put other buttons on it?" So actually I bought it, so like $3, and gave her the jacket, so I'm sure she's enjoying wearing it and I'm loving the buttons. And then I actually found that obviously Spotlight had a big throwing out of their applique words. I'm thinking, or letters, I'm thinking this would make a great window. I wish I had two of them. Cute little white iron-on butterflies. This is one of my trays of bibs and bobs, and this is one with lots of white stuff in it, so we'll see what goes there. And then as you can see, these are my threads. I'll just turn the camera around to make you all dizzy. Hopefully not too dizzy as I shake it to Billy-O. I've got, sorry, let's try again. Okay, I've got some shiny threads. I've got some crochet threads. I've got some tapestry wools, some more silver, some black and grey. This is shishiko thread, ordinary sewing thread, thicker thread, shiny threads, more crochet thread. What else have I got there? More shiny threads. Yeah, so lots of stuff like that. And then I also found some wool fibres, which might be fun, giving a bit of fluffy every now and again. So that should be fun. I also found another bag of black and white fabric scraps. And then I decided to have a think about my cover. So I thought I want to do it. This is sort of a first look. This is the black grunge. And I cut a few bits and pieces which I'll probably put on it. We love motorbikes. My husband has a couple. We have a couple of dogs. I have way too many projects, as I said. These may go in the book somewhere. But on the inside, I remember someone saying they wanted the cover a little bit thicker. So I thought, I might double barrel that. So I went down. I have a stash of jeans. When I say I have a stash of jeans, when I went to look, I found that I have 3 50-litre containers full of jeans and another 15-litre container with cut pieces from jeans. So anyway, I cut out this. I off-centered the seam, so that'll be on my first page. So I'm really happy with how that's coming. I really wanted to cut the piece out with the name on it, but I was too stingy. This was right in the middle of the fabric, so I just cut the selvage off, and I'll put that in the book somewhere probably. And I made the book a little bit bigger because this wasn't quite fitting on the size, so it's about 1/2 inch wider. And then I thought, right, now I'm all ready to make my video, and I went, oh, shears and organzas and lace. So I did get out quite a bit of creamy stuff, which I probably won't use, but here's some of the shears. Yeah, it doesn't look cream in that. This is a piece left over from a project where I put that under my felting needle machine and gave it a nice scrunch. I love the texture on that. Love the beads on this, but it is probably too yellow. And this is sort of some of the laces I found. Again, these ones up here are probably a little bit yellow, but I've got plenty of whites left. And I found some fun cotton laces. I'm not sure quite what it is. I think that might be a stretchy something. Lots of, cotton, fun stuff, little bits of things. Let's see, what else did I find here? Yes, somebody's cut up a doily and made a little teddy bear collar. And I'm not into dress teddy bears, so I took the collar off and put it aside to use on something sometime. This is a gorgeous piece, isn't it? That lovely. And I think I've got, yes, this is a hand crocheted collar somebody made somewhere sometime. That might be nice. And I also have quite a bit of this beautiful beaded silk. Let's see if I can turn it around slowly and not make you dizzy again. Which I have lots of. I made a teddy bear once with this as its accessory, a bridal bear. Really enjoyed that. There's a bag here with all sorts of oddie-soddy sort of odds and sods, we call it, here. Junky bits of leftovers, but lots of texture and fun stuff there. And then I went to my black. Now, the only black lace I have is a little bit of this. A little bit of this. Got to remember, you need to see it on the camera. And quite a lot of, this. Lots of pieces of that. I think, is that more of the same? Yes, more of the same. More of the same. And then I have quite a few shiny, silky shears, semi-shears, organzas, satiny kind of finishes. So they should add some nice shine. And then several bags of different weights and sizes of tulle. So that's the rest of my bits and pieces. And as you can see, I'm going to have to decide what I want on pages before I start, or we'll never get our dining table back. And I'm going to have fun working on the first page this afternoon, I think, or the cover, I should say, and see how that ends up. Thank you very much for watching. If I can work out how to put this up again, thank you. Bye-bye.